Hi, everybody. We are going to be going through the Professional Playwriting Format form. So if you can click back over to that form and look along visually while I'm going through this, it will probably help you understand. So as we look through this, everything that's in black actually appears on the page, and everything that's in blue is just a note to help you remember what we're talking about. So, starting with where it says divine intervention, that is the title of this play, and it is in all caps and bold font in the center of the top line of the page. It's followed by what's called the byline, which is what tells you who wrote the play. So this is in bold and centered on the second line of the page, but it's in regular type, not in all caps. Then you skip a line and then you have your opening stage direction. This is where you set the scene for the script. Tell me that just tell me where you are and what's happening at the moment that the lights go up. Notice it is in parentheses, it is in italics, meaning that leaning font like that. And every time that a character name appears, that name is in all caps. The reason we talk about this format is because it's really designed to help actors and directors when they are in the rehearsal room. If everything's just stacked on top of itself, then we're just saying like character name Divine over on the side with a colon and then the line, it becomes much harder to find your place in a rehearsal room. So this is more spaced out and easier to see where you are on the page. So every time that a character name is happening in a stage direction, it has to be in all caps so that the actor playing Glenn sees, oh, this stage direction is for me, and they know to pay attention to it. So then you skip another line after that opening stage direction, and you get to the first spoken line, which is Divine saying, listen to you bastardizing songs with the best of them. Divine, the character name, is in all caps and centered. Then left justified, right below it, is the line. Then you skip a line, and then you have Glenn, the character name, in all caps, centered. Then left justified, you have, why, hello there, Divine, I was just. And then you skip a line, and then you have character name, all caps, centered, left justified line. Then we get to a stage direction. You skip a line for stage directions, and they are tabbed over to about the midway point, the 3.5 inches tab. So you just hit tab, 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 tab. And again, this is in parentheses. It is in italics. And the whole thing is over at this 3.5 inch point. Make sure once again that you capitalize the names of any character in that stage direction. Then you skip a line, then you go into the next line that the character has. Now, this can guide you through how to do it with all these little blue comments, but it's a little hard to actually see because of all these comments. So if you scroll down to the next page, you'll see it without the comments. So it just looks like it would on the page. Again, you see that all caps for the title and bold still centered for the byline, but not all caps. You have your full opening stage direction right there. Then you get to the lines and you can see how that is really clear for that first stage direction because it's over on the side at 3.5 inch point. All right, if you are looking at this document for theater class, please remember now to go to the playwriting assignments heading and find the professional playwriting format exit ticket. It is a real quick 4-question multiple choice exit ticket, but it gets you credit for having reviewed this document. All right. The last thing I do want to say about this is I know you may not be able to do it in this format very easily if you're working on a phone or if you are working on a tablet. This is really easy to do when you're working in Google Docs on a laptop. If you can't do it in this format, I understand. Please still take the exit ticket so that I can prove that at least you understand how it does look in a professional setting. All right, have a good day.